Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back to my video. On this occasion, I would like to explain my motivational letter about scholarship to Japan. So, for the first paragraph, my name is Zaitilman Alvaris Marpaung, and I'm writing to express my deep interest in the opportunity to further my education through your esteemed scholarship program in Japan. As a passionate programmer, I am eager to immerse myself in Japan's advanced technological landscape while also embracing its rich cultural heritage and the values that shape its society. In this paragraph, I begin by introducing myself and explaining why I am writing the letter. I tell the scholarship committee that my name is Zaitilman Alvaris Simarpaung, but the focus is not only my identity. I want to make it clear that I am deeply interested in applying for scholarship program in Japan. My aim is to make the committee understand my strong desire to continue my education in their country. I also mentioned that I am a programmer who is passionate about technology. I use this chance to share my excitement about Japan, not just because of its advanced technology, but also because of its rich culture. This paragraph sets the tone, the letter by showing that I am serious about my application and that I value both the academic and cultural aspect of studying in Japan. In the second paragraph, I have always been captivated by the innovative spirit of Japan, where cutting-edge technological harmonizes with deep-rooted tradition. My goal is to harness knowledge and skill acquired in Japan to excel as a programmer and contribute to impactful technological advancement. I'm especially inspired by the discipline, resilience, and work ethic of Japan's people, which I aim to emulate in my personal and professional journey. The second paragraph focus on my personal connection with Japan and explain why I'm par- particularly drawn to this country. I highlight this because it shows I am aware of Japan's distinctive qualities. I don't just want to study there because it's a developed country. I genuinely respect how Japan balance innovative with culture. I also talk about the discipline, hard work, and resilience that the Japanese people are known for. These values inspire me, and I want to follow their example in both my personal life and my career. Through this paragraph, I show that I am not only interested in Japan for academic reasons, but also for the deeper values and lessons that I can learn from the people and culture. For the third paragraph, over the past year, I have engaged in various learning and teaching experiences that have strengthened my passion for programming. I developed a COVID-19 tracker app using Flutter, integrating API data to provide real-time updates on case and hospital research in Indonesia. Additionally, I create a classroom management system using Laravel aimed at simplifying administrative tasks for school. Beyond development, I have participated in teaching programs at multiple schools, sharing my knowledge with students and inspiring them to explore the potential of technology. This is where I explain my background and achievement in programming. I start by talking about the project I have worked on, which showcase my skills and how I programming to solve real-world problems. One of my main projects is the COVID-19 tracker app, which I developed using Flutter. This app uses API data to provide real-time updates uh, about COVID-19 case and hospital research in Indonesia. I explained this project because it highlights my ability to work with modern technology and create something useful for society. I also mentioned another project, a classroom management system built with Laravel. This system helps school manage administrative tasks more easily. This example show that I am not just learning programming for personal growth. I'm actively applying my skill to help others. Lastly, I discuss my teaching experience, where I have shared my knowledge with students and encourage them to explore technology. By mentioning this, I demonstrate not only my technical skills, but also my willingness to give back the, to the community and inspire others. For the fourth paragraph, my dedication to programming is further reflected in certifications such as Flutter development and web development, which have equipped me with essential skills for building modern applications. This experience have not only sharpened my technical expertise but also reinforced my commitment to continuous learning and growth. In this paragraph, I emphasize how serious I am about learning and improve my programming skills. I mentioned this certification I have earned in Flutter development and web development. These certifications are evidence of my technical abilities and my dedication to become better. I explain how this learning experience have helped me gain essential skills for building modern applications. This part of the letter also highlight my commitment to continuous learning. It shows that I'm not satisfied with just knowing the basic. I'm always looking for ways to improve myself and stay updated with new technologies. By including this paragraph, I show this scholarship commit that I'm hardworking and ambitious person who values education and personal growth. For the fifth paragraph, Japan represents the ideal environment for my aspirations, offering unparalleled access to advanced research, a community of like-minded, innovative, and culture that values excellence. Through this scholarship, I hope to refine my programming skills, contribute to groundbreaking project, and eventually apply my knowledge to address global challenges. This paragraph explain why Japan is the perfect place for me to pursue my goal. I talk about the many opportunities Japan offers for students like me. It's a country now for its advanced research, innovative technologies, and strong work ethic. I also mentioned that Japan has has a community of creative and talents individuals which would motivate me to push myself further. Additionally, I explain how I hope to use the knowledge I gain in Japan to make a positive impact. I don't just want to learn for myself. I want to contribute to projects that can help solve global challenges. The part of the letter shows that I am not only thinking about my own future but also about how I can use what I learned in Japan to benefit others. I believe this makes my application stand out as it shows that I have a clear vision for my career and how studying in Japan into that vision. For the last paragraph, thank you for considering my application. I am confident that study in Japan will not only transform my career but also shape me into a responsible global citizen. I look forward to the opportunity to contribute to and learn from Japan's thriving technological ecosystem. Uh, in the In the final paragraph, I wrap up the letter by thanking the scholarship commit for considering my application. I express my confidence that studying in Japan will have a life change impact on my career. I also mentioned that I'm ready to take on the challenge and opportunities that come with studying abroad. By saying this, I hope that I am determined to make the most out of this opportunity. I also share my excitement about becoming part of Japan's technological and culture ecosystem. This shows that I am genuinely looking forward to contributing to and learning. Maybe that's all from me. Sorry if there is any mistake from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.